this video, we're adding a potentiometer to our Arduino. That's a fancy word for a dial you can turn. We'll use it to control the brightness of an LED. A potentiometer is basically a knob that changes resistance as you turn it. It has 3 pins. The middle pin goes to the Arduino. One side goes to the 5 volt and the other side goes to ground. Turning the knob like this changes the voltage the Arduino reads on that middle pin. I'm using a 10K potentiometer, but don't worry if yours is a different value like 1K, 50K or something else. For Arduino they all work the same way, the only difference is how sensitive the turning feels. And also, don't worry if yours looks different. Some are big, some are small, some are plastic, some are metal, some slide up and down instead of turning even. But if it's called a potentiometer and it has 3 pins, it'll work the same. You'll need an Arduino board, a breadboard, a potentiometer, preferably 10K, but you can choose any potentiometer you want, an LED, a resistor, 220 ohms, and some jumper wires. We'll place the potentiometer so each pin is in a separate row. One side leg to the 5 volt on the Arduino, and the other side to ground on the Arduino. And then we'll connect the middle leg to pin A0 on the Arduino. Then we'll connect an LED to pin 9 so that we can dim it smoothly. Now plug in your Arduino ready to program. In setup, we tell the Arduino which pins do what. Pin A0 is an input pin for our potentiometer, and pin 9 is an output for the LED. In the loop, we need to read the knob's position. We use analog read for this. We use map to scale that to 0 to 225 for the LED brightness. Finally, we set the LED to that brightness. Now upload your code. Now just turn the potentiometer one way to make the LED brighter, and turn the potentiometer the other way to make it dimmer. Potentiometers can also be used for volume and speed.